Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll walk you through how to use Google AI Studio in 2025, the easiest way to build, test, and deploy AI models without deep coding knowledge. Whether you're a beginner or a business looking to leverage AI, this guide will help you get started. Let's jump right in. 1. Access Google AI Studio. Head over to Google AI Studio at google.com/studio and sign in with your Google account. This platform allows you to work with Gemini AI models, fine-tune datasets, and generate AI-powered responses. To explore the interface. Once inside, you'll see Chat Interface, interact with Gemini AI and test responses. Prompt Playground, experiment with different AI prompts. Model customization, adjust parameters and improve responses. API access, integrate AI into your apps and workflows. Mod 3, create your first AI project. Click New Project and follow these steps. Choose the AI model type, text, image, code, or speech. Upload sample data if needed. Adjust response preferences for accuracy and tone. 4. Test and optimize your AI. Use the prompt editor to refine responses. You can tweak. Temperature controls randomness in responses. Max tokens limits response length. Context improves AI understanding. Preview and adjust until you get the desired output. 5. Deploy and integrate AI. Once satisfied, click Deploy, and Google AI Studio will generate an API key. You can integrate this AI into websites and chatbots, mobile apps, business workflows, automation tools like Zapier. 6. Monitor and improve performance. Check the analytics dashboard for insights on response quality, user engagement, performance metrics. That's it. You now know how to get started with Google AI Studio in 2025. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more AI and tech tutorials. See you in the next one.